Welcome, brainers! Recently, I received an Android phone at my service center with contacts app issues. The user was not able to create, update, or delete contacts. Contacts Sync was not working properly. Contacts app was freezing and behaving wired. I've spent quite a lot of time and finally fixed it without any data loss, so I've made this video to help people with similar issues. Without further ado, let's get started. Solution 1. Clear cache. Please open Settings. Select Apps. App Management. Tap on the three dots menu at the top right. Choose Show System. Please search for contacts. Select them one by one. Go to Storage Usage. Tap on Clear Cache. The cache is just a temp storage, so you won't lose any contacts or data. Go back and repeat the same for all other contacts-related apps listed here. Close and reopen all contacts as well as dialer apps, and see if it has fixed your issue. Solution 2. Update Contacts app and OS. Please open the Play Store. Search for Contacts. You'll either see Open or Update. If it's open, then your Contacts app is up to date. Otherwise, please select Update and wait till the update process to complete. Please open Settings. Select About Device. Please check for OS updates and ensure it's up to date. After all these troubleshootings, please restart your phone and see if it has fixed your issue. Solution 3. Backup, clear data and restore. This'll delete contacts, so it's important to back up all your contacts. I'll show two methods to back up your contacts. Please search and open the Contacts app. Over here, please select Fix and Manage. Choose Export to File. Please save it somewhere safe and remember the path. Let's look at another backup method. On your PC or mobile, please open contacts.google.com. Log in with the same Google account that's used on your phone. Tap on Export. Please ensure all contacts are selected. Choose Google CSV. Please select Export. By default, this gets saved into your download folder. Now that the contacts are backed up, let's go ahead and clear data. Please open Settings. Select Apps. App Management. Tap on the three dots menu at the top right. Choose Show System. Search for contacts. Select them one by one. Go to Storage Usage. Tap on Clear Data. Go back and repeat the same for all other contacts-related apps listed here. Please open contacts.google.com. Select all contacts. And delete. On your mobile, please open the Contacts app. Select Fix and Manage. Import from File. Select your email ID. Now navigate and choose the backup file from our first backup method. Please give some time for the restore process. Now I got all my contacts back. Let me try to create a new contact. Yes, it worked. Let's also check if Contacts Sync is working properly. As you can see, we have successfully fixed that as well. Hope it works for you as well. If not, please continue with the following solutions. Solution 4. Check permissions. Please follow Solution 1 till you reach this screen. Select them one by one. Go to Permissions. Down below, please ensure Remove Permissions is disabled. And ensure everything is allowed. If you see anything under Not Allowed, please select Allow. Also, choose Data Usage and enable Background Data. Go back and repeat the same for all other contacts-related apps listed here. Solution 5. Enable Automatic Contacts Sync. Please search and open the Contacts app. Select Fix and Manage. Go to Merge and Fix. Please apply any fix suggested over here. Come back and go to Settings. Choose Google Contacts Sync Settings. Please tap on Status. Ensure Automatic Sync is enabled. Force sync once with this little icon. After all these troubleshootings, please restart your phone and see if it has fixed your issue. Worst case, if your issue is still not fixed, then please follow these additional solutions. I've given very clear instructions that you can follow. I hope it was helpful. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you've any questions or thoughts, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in another useful video.